First, putting in 2 1/4 cups flour, then 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it up. Then in a separate bowl, add 3/4 cup sugar, 3/4 cup packed brown sugar, 2 sticks of butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 eggs. Smash up your butter and your brown sugar. Then mix everything together really, really good. Then add both of your bowls of mixtures together. And start mixing them together. You're going to want to keep mixing until all your particles have blended together. Now the fun part, add in 2 cups of chocolate chips and mix in your chocolate chips into your cookie dough, nice and easy. Have your oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. Enjoy. Like and subscribe for more delicious and yummy videos.